Okay, so here's something a little interesting. Here I have a Z80. This is a microprocessor, 8 bits, from the mid-70s, I believe, 1976 if I'm not mistaken, 674, whatever, doesn't matter. And currently I've just got some LEDs hooked up to it, and it's counting up in binary. Those are the addresses right there. So we've got like pretty much everyone in sequence. You've got your first, get your first LED blinking every 10 milliseconds, probably. And then you've got your second one blinking every 20 milliseconds, and then 40 milliseconds, and it halves each time. Now, I was running this, and I happened to notice that this receiver I have for my audio, for my record player, for my computer, for all my game consoles, was actually picking up on the LED sounds. So if I turn up the volume here, you get a pretty sick beat. Now watch, it's only the LEDs. So I can actually change the beat that it's making by swapping these around. So if I take out the really fast one, for example, there it goes. Now let me put that one back. Okay. Now let's take out the second fastest one. That's what that sounds like. So let's put it back. Let's take out the third fastest one. So that's what a CPU sounds like, I guess.